When we touch tongue to tongue, you can taste the languages I speak. Soy, water, diphthong, ha, guest, consonants clipped from your lips. Soy, ha, water, guest. I ask you for songs your mother sang to you. I remember them and sing them in the quiet. I know a song about a clay doll. 它是个假娃娃，不是个真娃娃。它没有亲爱的妈妈，也没有爸爸。泥娃娃，泥娃娃，一个泥娃娃，也有个鼻子，也有个嘴巴，嘴巴不说话。She's a doll, not a baby. She has no loving papa, she has no loving mama. Clay doll, doll of clay. She has a nose, she has a mouth. She can't speak. I know a song about a rabbit and the moon. Usagi, usagi, 너니 밑에 하늘을 주고야 두기삼아 밑에 하늘을. Rabbit, rabbit, where are you jumping to? I'm jumping to the full moon of the 15th. When we touch tongue to tongue, you know I traffic in songs. I steal from you when you're not watching. Sing to you when you're not listening. 난 뛰도 않고 우미입이 쌓여 가입 나 두르고 아프소. 공사칼리 이완한가냐 와카막 알랄라 마이나마 마하사요 난 뛰도 않고. I'm here loving you, though my heart's bleeding. If she leaves you, don't worry. There's someone who loves you. I'm here. I come from a line of smugglers. My great-grandfather was a soiha, a water guest, though he walked between Hong Kong and the mainland. The contraband? Don't laugh. Dried seafood. What duty would he have had to pay? My father arrived in the US with a suitcase full of nothing but ideas. US Customs and Border Protection welcomes you to the United States. I have nothing to declare. My parents settled in snow past spring. I was their firstborn, though there was one before me, conceived too early in another country, uprooted from my mother's womb. Declare all articles you've acquired abroad and are bringing into the United States. I have nothing to declare. When we touch tongue to tongue, I taste secrets like salt on the corner of your lips. When your mother broke the news of your existence to your father, he said, "When this happens to my wife, she takes care of it." Your mother didn't know he was married. CBP officers will determine duty. I have nothing to declare. Your finger travels along my waist with no intent. I ease you into me as I would a finger into snow. Declare all articles on this declaration form and show the value in US dollars. I have nothing to declare. I show you where to find the zipper on my raw silk blouse, as if to say, how would you like to know me? When we kiss in the morning, you hide your tongue behind your lips. I have nothing to declare. There are times travel is easy as a skirt billowing around my knees. On a bridge in Amsterdam, a woman speaks to me in Dutch. I can only guess she's asking directions. I smile and say in the only language I think we share, I don't know. We laugh. Once a year, birds build a bridge in the sky. For lovers, yes, but also for those who laugh and say, I don't know. 唔知，不知道，わかりません。In the Shish Mahal, mirror palace of a mirror, I've seen my many selves reflected in thousands of mosaic mirror tiles. How many selves have I left behind? Once a year, birds build a bridge in the sky. I travel so easily, I could almost forget how my mother refused to use my US passport when we traveled to communist China. If war broke between the countries of my two selves, I could claim, I don't know. Je ne sais pas. I have nothing to declare. My father can discern the colors of crawfish seas. Bees see sweeps of blue where we see white. I would like to know how a bee regards this country. I would like to know what a bee carries. We have commercial merchandise, articles for sale, samples used for soliciting orders, or goods that are not considered personal effects. I have nothing to declare. My father built a machine to parse speech. A difference profile is generated for each pair of phonemes by subtracting the profile of each phoneme from the profile of each other phoneme. U.S. Patent Office Abstract. He travels unquestioned across the Pacific. Controlled substances, obscene articles, and toxic substances are generally prohibited entry. I have nothing to declare. My father quotes Zhuang Zi, who quotes Gong Sun Long. 以子與子之非子，不若以非子與子之非子也；以馬與馬之非馬，不若以非馬與馬之非馬也。天地一子也，萬物一馬也。A man approaches a border checkpoint with a horse. The guard tells him, horses are not allowed. This is a white horse, not a horse, he replies. Confounded, the guard lets him through. We can't use the same word horse to apply to both the general class of horses and all its subclasses. White horse, black horse, wild horse. Yet, Zhuangzi concludes, Man mat yap maya, the word horse can represent all things. I ask, can the word American apply to both the general class of Americans and all its subclasses? White American, African American, Asian American, Native American, Latino American. Can we declare the word American represents all humanity? Let us take a moment of silence for the Americans. Oscar Grant, Trayvon Martin, Renisha McBride, Jonathan Farrell, Vincent Chin, Jacob Valdivieso, Alex Nieto, Michael Brown, Eric Gardner, Freddie Gray. They are the unwanted children of this country. I travel so easily, I could almost forget. Americans with skin of a darker hue might sell cigarettes, take the subway, deliver lunch to their children, and never come home. I travel so easily, I could almost forget. I'm still here in this country, loving you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Nandito ako, umihibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. I'm here loving you, though my heart's bleeding. Broken windshields, eggs thrown into my friend's Honda in Ann Arbor. I am still here. Nandito ako. Executive Order 9066. Are you willing to serve in the armed forces of the United States on combat duty, wherever ordered? Question 28. Will you swear unqualified allegiance to the United States of America and faithfully defend the United States from any and all attack by foreign or domestic forces, and forswear any form of allegiance to the Japanese Emperor or any other foreign government, power, or organization? I have nothing to declare. The 442nd Japanese American Regiment gave themselves to their country like the rabbit who jumped into fire to feed an old man who was hungry. Usagi, usagi, nani mite haneru, jukoya tsukisama mite haneru. Rabbit, rabbit, where are you jumping to? Some declared no, no to questions 27 and 28. I'll speak to you when you speak to me in a language outside the coercion of forms and fences. Some danced behind fences to the tune, oh, give me land, lots of land under starry skies. Don't fence me in. Let me ride through the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of the cottonwood trees. Send me off forever, but I ask you please, don't fence me in. Don't fence me in. Some made love silently, tongue to tongue, a tremulous beginning like a husky note in the back of the throat, an orchid stem with a swollen node, a contraband bud, Sign on the other side of the form after you've read this important information above and made a truthful declaration. I have nothing to declare. I traffic in songs unsung. One quiet evening, you took in a 13-year-old boy. His song has no rainbows, only a boy doing his sums late into the evening, and a man watching over him like the father you both imagine into existence. I traffic in songs with quiet beginnings. I sing them in the quiet. She's a doll, not a baby. She has no loving mama, she has no loving papa. Clay doll, a doll of clay. I'll be her mama, I'll be her papa. I'll love her forever. 她是个假娃娃，不是个真娃娃。她没有亲爱的妈妈，也没有爸爸。泥娃娃，泥娃娃，一个泥娃娃。我做她妈妈，我做她爸爸。永远爱着他。